Want to practice Arabic writing? In this video you will write words that contain the letter Daal. Are you ready? Let's start. In this lesson, we will introduce the letter Daal. Daal is pronounced like the English D in the word dad. Now try to write it with me. It is a single stroke. You start from the top, and then from the right angle. And that's it done. Note how it doesn't beneath the line. Daal. It's very easy to write and easy to pronounce. Let's see the three basic voweling signs, when used with Daal. First, here's the Fathah. The pronunciation now will be D. Next, this is a Kasra. The pronunciation now will be D. And finally, there's a Dammah, it, now pronounced as do. Listen again. D. D. Do. Now, let's practice writing and pronouncing these basic voweling signs. When Daal is written with Fathah mark, the pronunciation now will be D. Try to write it with Fathah mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin.
Dain
Means debt.
D. Yi Ni Dain.
Now let's join these letters together.
D. Yi Ni Dain.
When
Daal
is written with Kasra mark, the pronunciation now will be
D.
Try to write it with Kasra mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin.
Dik
Means rooster.
D. Yi Ki Dik.
Now let's join these letters together.
D. Yi Ki Dik.
When
Daal
is written with Dammah mark, the pronunciation now will be
Do.
Try to write it with Dammah mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin.
Dub
Dub means bear.
Du Bi
Dub. Now let's join these letters together.
Du Bi
Dub. Now let's look at the letter
Daal
in all different possible positions. As you can see, the beginning form is the same as the isolated form. and the medial form is the same as the end form. Handwriting time. Let's handwrite the isolated form. Here is how to write the beginning form. Like.
دعم.
Means support.
د. عي. مي. دعم.
Now let's join these letters together.
د. عي. مي. دعم.
And next.
دفتر.
Means notebook.
د. في. ت. ري. دفتر.
Now let's join these letters together.
د. في. ت. ري.
دفتر.
And next.
دهشة.
Means astonishment.
د. هي. ش. هي. دهشة.
Now let's join these letters together.
د. هي. ش. هي. دهشة.
Here is how to write the middle form. Like.
مدن.
Means cities.
مو. دو. ني. مدن. مدن.
Now let's join these letters together.
مو. دو. ني. مدن.
And next.
عدس.
Means lentils.
ع. د. سي. عدس.
Now let's join these letters together.
ع. د. سي. عدس.
When those exception letters come before the letter Daal, it will be written in the middle of the word. Like this. When Daal is in the middle of a word, the isolated form is used. It is free to the right, since the letter before it refuses to connect. And it is free to the left, since it refuses to connect with the letter after. For example,
دردشة.
means chat.
د ر د ش هي دردشة.
Now let's join these letters together.
د ر د ش هي دردشة.
Here is how to write the end form. Like.
خد
Means cheek.
خ دي خد.
Now let's join these letters together.
خ دي خد.
And next.
بعد
Means after.
ب عي د بعد.
Now let's join these letters together.
ب عي د بعد.
And next.
جديد
Means new.
ج دي ي دي جديد.
Now let's join these letters together.
ج دي ي دي جديد.
As you can see, the letter Daal is able to conjugate with another letter from the right side only. It never connects with another letter from the left side.
جديد.
When those exception letters come before the letter
دال
it will be written in the end of the word. Like this. When Daal is the last letter of a word, the isolated form is used. It is free to the right, since the letter before it refuses to connect. And it is free to the left, since there is no letter after. And even if it was, Daal would refuse to connect with it. For example,
تردد
means frequency or hesitation.
ت ر د دي
تردد
Now let's join these letters together.
Ta, ra, du, di.
تردد.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Don't forget to like this video. If you need any help, please leave a comment, and I will be glad to answer your questions. Learning with Eman. Free Arabic course.